Hey guys, welcome to the next video on shell scripting tutorial for beginners. In this video we will see how to use trap statement in shell scripting. Now the trap statement is relatively tough to explain, so I'm going to take an example and then I will show you how we can use trap and why we should use trap. Okay, so I have an example script here, and the first line of this script is to print the PID of the script itself. Okay, so dollar symbol you can use to print the PID of the script itself, right? Now the other code here is a while loop, and basically what it's doing is it's just looping around, and I have provided the 10-second delay in every loop, so that after every 10 seconds it's going to loop around and print the value of count here until and unless the value is less than 10. And if the script is run successfully after, for example, 100 seconds, we will just exit out of the script with the exit signal 0, right? So let me run the script and let's see what happens. So I'm going to run the script, and you can see the PID of this script is printed here, right? And then this script goes into this loop, and after every 10 seconds it's going to print the value of count, which is, for example, 1 and then 2 and 3 and then 4 and 5, right? Now while running your script, some scenarios can happen. So while running your script, user may press, for example, Control-C keys in order to come out of the script. So when you press Control-C to terminate, the script is going to be terminated, and our script is in the middle of doing something, but we have provided this Control-C signal, and then the script is ended, right? Now this Control-C signal is called the interrupt signal, and in signal terms it's called SIGINT. Okay, so we have sent the SIGINT command to the script, and then the script is terminated, right? Once again I'm going to run the script, and we can use some other commands. So right now the different PID is provided to this script while it's running, right? Before it was this PID, and now this script is running with this PID, right? And we can press Control-Z also, so Control-Z, and it's also going to stop the script, and this Control-Z signal is called suspend signal. Okay, and it's in signal terms it's called SIGTSTP. Okay, so you can see when I press Control-Z, the script is stopped, and now we are out of the script. But this is also an interrupt signal, so we have interrupted our script because our script was in the middle of doing something, and we have given some signal to stop it, right? Now once again I'm going to run the script, for example. So this time the PID is this one, and once again it's running, and I can kill this process by a kill command also. So I know the PID of this process for this script, so I can just use another terminal. So this is the different terminal than this, right? So I can use the another terminal, and I can just give kill and then -9, and this -9 is also a signal, and it's called SIGKILL signal, right? So this is a this is a kill command, and this 9 stands for SIGKILL signal, and then I can give the name of the PID, which is 3784 in this case. You can see this is the PID right now, right? And when I give this kill command, press enter, you can see our script is killed. Once again, it was in the middle of doing something, but we have given a signal to it. In this case, we have given a SIGKILL signal, and then the script is stopped, right? So there are some scenarios in which our script is interrupted in the middle of doing something, and it's not yet finished, but some signal can come or some unexpected behavior can come which can interrupt the execution of our script, and that's why we use trap command. Now trap command provides the script to capture an interrupt and then clean it up within the script. Okay, so now when we use the trap command, our trap command in the script will be able to catch this kind of for example kill command or control C or control Z. So it's going to trap or catch this kind of signals, and then we will be able to do some kind of stuff before exiting out, right? So that's why we use the trap command. Now we will take an example for the trap, but let me show you something. So I'm going to just open the different terminal, for example, and this is a big terminal, and here I'm going to write man7 and then signal, right? Signal, and then press enter, and when I see the man page of this signal, then I will be able to see more explanation about these signals, right? Now when I scroll a little bit down, I will be able to see this kind of table I was talking about, right? So control C signal I have given in my case, right? So control C signal was this one, interrupt from keyboard. I have given interrupt from keyboard, which is control C, and this is the signal for that, which is SIGINT, and every signal has its value. So SIGINT has value 2, right? And then we have provided control Z also, right, which was SIGTSTP. You can see this one was the signal, right? And this stands for stop typed at terminal, right? It has the value 18, 20 and 24. Okay, and then we have provided this SIGKILL command, and it has the value 9. So we have used kill -9. So this was the value of this signal. We could have used SIGKILL also, and the value of this is 9, right? So we have given kill 9, so it was killed. Okay, and these are some of the signals you can use to terminate your process, right? So if you want to read more about these signals, then just do man7 and signal. Okay, man7 and the keyword signal. I'm going to just close this terminal, and let's take an example now. Okay, so now what I want to do is I want to remove everything here, and then what I need to do is I will just use a trap command. Just write trap, and then I will echo something. So for example, I can just echo that some exit command is detected, right? So I can just write exit command is detected. Okay, and then I am expecting the signal 0 from it. Okay, so exit 0 is a success signal. Okay, so I have shown you the signals have their value, and they are always greater than 0, right? So if the signal sent here is 0, then it's a success, right? So now what I'm going to do is I will just echo for example hello world. Okay, and I just want to exit out of the script, so I can just do exit 0. Exit 0 is a success signal, right? So 0 is a success signal, And let me clear the terminal here also, clear, and let me run the script once again. And when I run the script, I can see here that the script is starting. So what is the execution sequence here? The script started. It has seen that there is a trap for some signal, and trap means whenever we receive a signal 0, then we need to execute this kind of command. Whatever command is here, it will be executed, whatever command you write after the trap signal. Okay, so the command is echo, exit command is detected. So this is the command echo is used, and then this is printed when this signal is cached, which is on exit 0 command, right? Now here once again I'm going to just cut this code, and I'm going to go back to our previous code. So for example, we had this code, right? And then we can write trap here. So trap, and then we can once again echo something. So this time for example, we are expecting some other signal. So for example, we want to detect that it's a SIGINT signal. We can just write SIGINT here, or we can even write its value 2. Okay, 2 is the value of SIGINT signal, and this SIGINT signal is for delay. It's for interrupting the sequence, right, which is Control C. So when I run the script once again, the script will start with some PID, and then I will just press Control C and then see what happens. So it's going to print this value. So whenever the signal is received, it's going to execute whatever command we write after the trap command. So I'm going to just press Control C, and you can see it's printed exit signal is detected. Once again Control C, and it says exit signal is detected, right? And you can see right now it's not coming out of the terminal. I'm giving this Control C command so many times, and it has completed its execution. And every time when I press Control C, it prints exit signal is detected, right? Let me clear the terminal once again, and now this time I want to catch the SIGKILL command. So you can either write SIGKILL here, or either write 9, the value of SIGKILL. Okay, so SIGKILL command, and then I will just run the script, and I know the PID of it, so I can just use this kill command with -9 signal, and then the PID of it, which is 4296, right? And then press enter, and you can see this process is killed. And this time we don't see this exit message. You can see it's killed, but I told you that we can trap any command, any signal, and we can execute any command when this signal is received. And I have sent this signal and nothing is printed, right? So there is some exceptions to the trap. Okay, so trap cannot trap or catch SIGKILL command and SIGSTOP command. Okay, so these two signals it cannot catch. So whenever you write SIGKILL or SIGSTOP, then trap is not going to catch them. It's unable to catch them. Okay, so these are the two exceptions. Okay, so don't use SIGKILL, or don't catch SIGKILL or SIGSTOP from your trap command. Now let's take one more example, and let's understand how it works. Okay, So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just going to my desktop directory, and I will do ls there. Okay, so there is only one script file there, which is my script itself, right? So I'm going to create one more file, which is file.txt, and this file is created. I'm not going to insert any data inside it. I will just ls once again, and now we can see that this file is there. Okay, now I will do pwd to know in which directory we are in, right? And for example, this time what we want to do is whenever we receive any signal, we want to delete this file somehow. Okay, so how can we do it? So I'm going to declare a variable file, for example, and then I'm going to give some value to this file. So I will just take the complete path of this directory, desktop directory, and the name of the file, right? So just copy this and paste it here. Okay, and this time instead of echoing something, I will just do rm -f to force the deletion, and then the file variable name, which is file itself. Okay, and you can after removing, you can exit out of the script. So you can just give this semicolon and exit command to exit out of the script, right? So this semicolon is used to combine two commands, if you know how they works, right? Now I want to catch some signals. So for example, I want to catch the success signal, which is 0, and then for example I want to catch the control C signal, which is 2, SIGINT, and then for example I want to catch the signal 15, which is SIGTERM signal, which is termination signal, or even you can do 9 also, for example, for SIGKILL or any other signal, right? But 9 will not work here because SIGKILL is an exception, right? So I want to just remove this file whenever I send either of these signals. I can do this, right? So I'm going to run this script, and script is running, and now I will just press Control C, for example, or let me just give this 15, which is SIGTERM. So I know the PID, so I can just give kill minus 15 and the PID, which is 5633, right? And then press enter. This signal is received in this script, and then we are exited out of the script, and let's do ls once again, and you can see that this file is removed. Okay, so you can do that also. So if you want to remove a file or you want to do any cleanup, you can do with the command, and then you can just catch that signal and then do the cleanup, right? And you could have done something like this. So if the file is removed successfully, you could have used for example and here, and then you could have echoed, for example, file deleted, right? So you can just write file deleted, something like this also you can do. Okay, to know that this trap is executed. Okay, so once again I'm going to touch this file and I will do ls. Now once again this file exists, and once again I'm going to run the script, and script is running, and this time the PID is 5667. So just do 5667 and press enter, and you can see here this signal is received here, and it says file deleted. Okay, so this signal is trapped here, and then let's see if the file is deleted or not. Yes, file is also deleted. Okay, so you can execute any command using trap when some signal is received. Okay, now let's run the script once again, and let me show you one more thing. So script is running, and then I just do trap here and then press enter, and I can see here that there are some traps, or there is a list of some traps, right? So this is the list from these 3 traps are from this script, and these 3 traps are from some other trap command I have given in the terminal, right? So previously I have given a trap command to test this trap, and this is from the trap command in the terminal previously I have given, and these 3 values are coming from this script. Okay, now the question is how we can remove traps. Okay, because we have set some trap, and whenever we use the trap command they are listed, right? So somehow we want to remove these traps also. So how do we remove it? So we can just remove the trap by using minus and name of the signal. So I want to remove, for example, these 3 traps, then I can just do trap minus and then these 3 signals, whatever trap I want to remove. So I do this, and once again trap, and then I only see these traps now. Okay, so these 3 traps I have removed, right? So this is how also you can remove traps. So this minus is for removing. Okay, so this is how you can use traps in shell scripting. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment, subscribe, and bye for now.